Hey vacation lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you to a place that glows with its own kind of magic. A sparkling wonderland tucked away in the heart of the Austrian Alps. We're heading into Swarovski Crystal Worlds, or as the locals call it, Kristallwelten. This is not an average museum. It's an entire experience. So let's dive right in. Now, this gem is located in a charming little town called Wattens, just about 20 minutes by car from Innsbruck. So, while we were in Innsbruck, we made a special trip out to Swarovski Crystal Worlds. And since we had the Innsbruck Card, our entry was completely free. The card also includes the shuttle bus from Innsbruck main station straight to Swarovski Crystal Worlds, which made getting there super easy. If you're planning to visit a few attractions around Innsbruck, this card is totally worth it. You can grab one for 24, 48, or 72 hours, and it covers public transport too. It's available at the Tourist Info Center, many hotels, train stations, or even online. Super convenient. Now, if you don't have the Innsbruck card, don't worry. There are still a few easy options. You can just buy a regular ticket at the entrance or book it online in advance. Now check this out. Right at the entrance, you're greeted by this massive green giant with glittering crystal eyes and a waterfall flowing from its mouth. This giant actually guards the entrance to the magical world inside. Now we need to enter inside through this gate right beside the green giant. So let's move on inside the actual crystal world and see what's waiting for us. Oh, and here's a sweet little touch. At the entrance, every visitor gets a small pouch of crystals as a complimentary gift. As soon as you step inside, you'll notice that every corner is beautifully decorated with different kinds of crystals. Even this bench right here. It's completely filled with crystals. It's like stepping into a sparkling art gallery. Every single room is a completely different vibe. All right, let's explore the different rooms. I think I don't even need to say much here. You just watch and experience it with me. One of my favorites was a room that played with mirrors and reflections. It felt like I was floating through a never-ending galaxy of shimmering light. All right, this room is super fun. You'll see everyday stuff like cereal boxes, juice packs, cleaning supplies, and snacks, all covered in crystals. It's so cool to see normal things turned into something so sparkly and unique. And of course, I couldn't resist picking up a little something from the Swarovski flagship store inside. While I was looking around, the staff were super helpful, friendly, and happy to guide me through the different collections. And here's a little tip. The prices here are actually a bit cheaper than what you'll find at Swarovski stalls in big cities. Plus, if you're visiting from outside the EU, don't forget to ask for your tax refund form. You can claim the VAT back at the airport when you're leaving Austria. Now let's talk about the outside. It's just as stunning. And we intentionally came in the evening to catch the garden under the night sky. As you follow the path, you'll encounter the breathtaking Crystal Cloud, a massive installation hovering over the mirror pool. This masterpiece, created by artists Andy Cao and Xavier Perot, features around 800,000 hand-mounted Swarovski crystals suspended above the water on slender rods. As the lights shift and change color, the crystals shimmer brilliantly, casting dazzling reflections onto the dark surface below. The mirror pool beneath captures these reflections, creating a mesmerizing interplay of light and water. The crystals sparkle like stars in the night sky, offering a surreal and tranquil experience. Adding to the ambiance, soft soundscapes play in the background, enhancing the ethereal atmosphere. There are lots of unique artworks around the garden, but to explore them properly, you'd need to come during the day. The evening, though, has its own magic with all the lights and reflections, so it really depends on what kind of experience you're after. If you're traveling with kids, they'll love the play tower and playground, all in a crystal-themed setting. So if you're ever in Austria, make sure to add Swarovski Crystal Worlds to your list. It's a one-of-a-kind blend of nature, art, and imagination. And don't forget, I'll be posting a full video of our Innsbruck trip very soon, so stay tuned for that. If you like this one, hit that like button, subscribe to Vacation Lovers, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of our next adventures. See you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.